2013 Mercedes S-Class. Really clean. It's only got 50,000 miles on it. Nice, good looking car. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got the converters, factory there and there. Factory H-pipe right there. Kept the stock resonators there. 2.5-inch pipe. Then we did a rear muffler delete, as you guys can see there. And a rear muffler delete there. So we left the vacuum actuated valve there. So it opens and closes like it wants. And we just connected it to this side on each of them. So that's what you have to do if you ever want to do a muffler delete and keep the stock tips like the customer wanted. You wanted to keep the same look, but just wanted more sound. It's an S550, as you guys can see right there. So it came out clean and nice. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it that we cut off right there. Here we go. So as you guys can see on this beautiful beast, whew, I love these cars. I might pick me one up. I don't know. I want one of everything, guys, which sucks. I can't have one of everything. S63 AMG. Look at them shoes. Woo, sexy. Brand new tires, too. Brand new rubbers. Boom. Anyways, converter, H-pipe. Then, as you guys can see, we did a resonator delete. Nice and clean right there. Then we continue. And stock mufflers are still on there for now. He might take them off later on. We'll see. But as of right now, they're on there. There it is. Came out nice. There's the resonator that was on it. Huge. We took it off. It's the size of 2 mufflers. There it is. So we took it off. And I love how they kept it independent, as you guys can see from the welds in the middle. So it stayed true duals all the way back, which is cool. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you hit that subscribe. We support you guys with thousands of videos. Please support us by hitting that subscribe button. Mercedes S550 muffler delete. Shut up. Oh yeah, that sounds a lot better. You can hear the turbo spooling up. Very nice. Let it idle. Just 1 rev, please. All right, here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 95.7. Again. Very nice. Let him back it up. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Park. This is a beautiful shop. Right down the street from Skyline Hospital. And up the street from all these apartments that just got done built. That sounds so clean. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. What do you think? Perfect? Love it. Here you go. Let's hear this thing. Go ahead. Already a better start, man. Again? 102. 105. It's climbing. 106. That's perfect. Yeah. He says that's exactly what he wanted. And that's what I like to hear. Brings joy to my heart. Again. It hit the 108. Yes. There's sound decibels. Do it again. We're the only ones who ever got to rev it other than him, guys. As you guys can see how clean the car is. Again. That sounds phenomenal. Wow. Go ahead and back it up. It's huge. It's a boat, but it flies too. What's the speed on it? 0 to 60 is like 4.2 or something. Yeah. Wow, it's got a custom intake on it too. Nashville, Tennessee 3560 Dickerson Pike. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Mercedes S550 twin turbo. Or bi-turbo. Let's see how quick that thing takes off. That sucker's quick. It gets. I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know. Here we go. That sounds clean. That's what he wanted. He didn't want it too loud, just a clean tone. Amplify that AMG sound. That's what we done. Hope you guys like it. Let us know in the comments what you think. All right, guys, CLS 550. Go ahead and hit it. Hit it, double hit it like mom. That's a drive off for you guys. Enjoy it.